Hello friends, so in today's video I am going to show you how you can fix object shadows issues in water in Unreal Engine. So let me take you to my screen. Okay, so here I have set up my scene. Okay, so for this tutorial purpose I am going to use water plugin. So just by going to setting here, by clicking on plugin, you can search here for water. So this plugin is I am going to use now. Okay, so I have already installed it. If you don't have, you can enable it from it here. Okay, so for this tutorial purpose I am going to use water body river, which is the preset that is provided by this plugin. Okay, so, and let me take one object so that we can see what is our main issue. Okay, so chair, yes. Yes, okay. So if I scale it, you can see, so we are getting two shadows here. One is very sharp and one is actually interacting with water. So how to fix this? This is our main issue. Okay, so you just have to click on water. So you can see this sharp shadow. So we have to fix this issue. This is our main problem. Okay, so you have to just search here in the details panel. You have to search here for water material. So this is our water material. Just double click to open it, and in the search bar you have to search here for anisotropy and just check it. So for now we are not seeing any major changes, so we just have to increase the value. I put here 1. That's it, friend. So our issue is solved now, and our object shadow is now properly interacting with our water. So let me show you. Let me change the sun position. Okay, friends, that our sharp shadow is gone now. So basically friends, anisotropy is a property. So if you search on Google, you can get that materials whose property vary when measured in different direction. So basically our shadow is now properly interacting with our water, and which is using the water direction to cast the shadows. So that's it for now, friends. So if you have any questions or doubt related to any problem related to Unreal Engine, just let me in the comment section. So I will try to make video on that. Just like, share and subscribe to my video. Thank you.